Welcome back, everybody. We are here today to install a quiet, cool attic vent. This is you can get it from a hardware store, local hardware store. And this is where it goes. If you have an attic like this, you put it in front of the gable vent, and it allows for improved airflow in the attic to either cool or, yeah, that's what it does. So we're here in Southern California, and this is designed pretty well for it. So what we're doing is we're going to plug it in while we're on the floor, so that way we can connect it to the app. So in order to pair with the attic vent, attic fan, what we're going to have to do is plug it in on the ground level, and my buddy has the app open, and we're going to hit this pair button, so that way it'll pair up. Okay, I held the button down for 3 seconds, and now it's searching for a phone.
Okay.
All right, it just picked up. So that's what it takes. All right, welcome back, everybody. So what we're doing is we're looking down the attic, and that's where the fan is installed. And we ran the cable all the way back. Good thing about this unit is they give you about 20 feet of cable, or 25 feet of cable. And we ran it over here to near where the attic access is, and poured it into the attic light. So we had an attic light here. There's no outlet, so we kind of have to do some minor rewiring to tie into it. Now we weren't concerned about the wattage, because these things draw nothing, less than 1,000 watts. So we just went ahead and tied it into the circuit. Anyway, so if you're working on a project like this, it's very worthwhile, and I highly recommend doing it yourself. The hardest part is kind of crawling through the attic, but other than that, this is what it takes to install one of these attic fan units. I hope this helps you. Good luck.